Installing a Chameleon whiteboard wall is almost as enjoyable as writing on it. In this video, we'll take you through the installation step by step to ensure a perfectly straight and professional result. This is Geert.
Hi.
And in just 3 minutes, he'll show you how to install a whiteboard right in the center of your wall. Step 1. Check the wall. Remove any old screws or uneven spots. Is the wall smooth? Perfect. You're ready to begin. If it's slightly uneven, don't worry. We'll correct that later using spacers. Step 2. Mark your lines. Measure the width and height of the wall and draw a small cross at its exact center. Next, determine the total width of your whiteboard panels. From the center point, measure outwards to the left and right to indicate where the panels will be positioned. At the outer edges of these measurements, mark a line 50 millimeters inside. This is your fitting margin. Now determine the total height of your whiteboard panels. From the center point of the wall, measure upwards and downwards to mark where the panels will be positioned. Again, at the outer edges of these measurements, mark a line 50 millimeters inside, your fitting margin. In total, you'll have 9 markings. 3 at the top, 3 in the middle, and 3 at the bottom. When the whiteboard panels are installed later, they will overlap these marked lines by 50 millimeters. Finally, mark the drill holes between the 9 markings, following the installation document provided. A magnetic plate can be used as a convenient template to mark the exact spacing between holes. Step 3. Mount the magnetic plates. If your wall is straight and level, drill the holes, insert the appropriate plugs, and fix the plates in place. Use a long spirit level to check that everything is perfectly flat. If the wall isn't completely level, loosen the screws slightly. Hang the open end of the spacer over the screw, tighten again, and recheck with the level. Easy step so far, right? Step 4. Hang the whiteboard panels. Start by marking the center of the wall with a cross-line laser level. Use your glass lifters to position the first whiteboard panel. Align the top edge of the panel 50 millimeters above the top of the magnetic plate, and the side edge along the center laser line. Ensure it's level. If needed, tap gently on the handle of the glass lifter with a rubber mallet to adjust. Place the next whiteboard panel tightly against the first, and repeat until your whole wall is installed. And that's it. Your Chameleon whiteboard wall is now perfectly straight, ready to use, and looking great.